Is this the building of the future? Located in the Technology Park in Valladolid in Spain, a team of researchers, engineers and architects have designed an innovative energy-efficient building, 3/4 warehouse and 1/4 offices. By combining different technologies, they reach a maximum of energy savings. Numerically, this means that up to 80% less energy is consumed compared to conventional buildings of this kind.
¿Por qué es un buen ejemplo para el futuro?
Why is it a good example for the future? Because it's a building that clears the way for future constructions. It shows that energetically profitable buildings, without additional energy costs, can become reality. Nowadays, this is what matters.
Lleve sobre costes de energía es factible que hoy en día estamos.
The showcase building is called Cartif 3 and is part of the EU-funded research project Direction. The location in Valladolid was very interesting for the engineers, as there is an extreme temperature fluctuation between summer and winter in this region of Spain. Alvaro Núñez is one of the architects who have designed the building.
This is
the first draft of our idea, which in essence involves the creation of half-buried yards interspersed between the different volumes of the building and in combination with a glass facade and automatic louver blinds.
During the summer, when temperatures reach their maximum, the half-buried yards come into play. In the bottom of the yard, a constant temperature of about 14 degrees Celsius is obtained. When the sun warms the facade, a pressure difference arises in the garden. What happens is that the cold air from the bottom moves to the top, cooling down the wall and the building. A 24/7 monitoring system improves the optimal use of this industrial building. Nearly 1,300 different variables, like temperature, humidity, and presence of people are fed into a database which enables researchers to monitor the energy needs. This gives a quite accurate picture of how the building works. For Direction Project Coordinator Sergio Sanz, this is one of the key aspects to achieve actual energy savings.
It's necessary to know the energy consumption at every moment and how it's working. That's precisely what the monitoring system is doing. It allows us to have all this information in real time, so we can analyze if the system is functioning properly and if the efficiency and consumption correspond to the design parameters.
At the beginning of 2012, Cartif 3 was finalized. The first months of monitoring are promising. It has shown that the interaction between different existing methods is working and is cost-effective. Sergio Sanz feels confident that this concept will soon be applicable on a larger scale.
This is close to the concept of smart cities, in which low energy consumption of the buildings is a key aspect. This city of the future will be more sustainable and therefore closer to the smart concept. This is our future.